Good morning. That is one of my snakes. That is something I forgot. Okay, that's a spider. That's my, I think it's called a begonia or epicea. And there's either a pothos or, I forgot, they all look alike. And my beautiful, beautiful plants. I was gonna put them in the garden, but I don't want to. I'm gonna get moss and all kinds of stuff on them. That's the morning light coming in. So I have like a light show, light and water show every morning. Just wanted to share this with you guys.